As the Honourable Prime Minister announced, we now have our fourth case of coronavirus, COVID-19 in Fiji. This case, as with the first, is also an imported case, travel-related. There's a 28-year-old male who travelled into Fiji on Saturday from Sydney, Australia. His sample was tested this morning at Fiji CDC along with 32 other samples, and this was the only one that came out positive. So in total now we have tested 179 samples since the end of January, and the vast majority of these have been at our own local lab, Fiji CDC. As the Honourable Prime Minister has mentioned, there is a big contrast between this case and the first one that we noted, primarily because this person listened to all of the advice that was given. When he arrived in Nadi Airport, he was advised by our health staff that we are now saying that any traveller into Fiji must self-quarantine for 14 days after arrival. He did this. He went straight home. He stayed at home. Once he started developing symptoms, he isolated himself from the rest of his family within his own home. He called the Ministry of Health and Medical Services on the numbers provided, and he was attended to immediately by a rapid response team who were able to examine him in his home as well as take his sample for testing. So this person did everything right. He did everything that we want returning travelers to do when they come back home to Fiji. In doing that, he's not only protected his own family, his loved ones, but he's also protected the rest of us in Fiji. So we are urging any travelers who have recently returned from overseas, please listen to the Ministry of Health and Medical Service and the Fijian government. Self-quarantine for 14 days. And if you develop symptoms, you get a fever, if you get a sore throat, a cough, please isolate yourself at home, call the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, and we'll come to you. Also highlighted, of course, was what we are advising the public around physical distancing, maintaining at least 2 meters between yourself and others when you're out and about. Avoid unnecessary travel outside your home. If you go to work and come home. Don't socialize outside of your home anymore. This is a big change. It's a big departure from our normal lives. It's an inconvenience, yes, but it is very necessary. If you just look at what's going on around the world, we're doing everything we can to prevent that happening in Fiji, but we need you to help. We cannot do this without the public coming forward and listening to what we're saying and following their advice. So please wash your hands with soap and water whenever you can. Maintain that physical distance of at least 2 meters away from people when you're out in public. If you cough or sneeze, cough into the crook of your elbow, or if you have a tissue, cough or sneeze into that tissue, throw it away, wash your hands. These are such simple measures, but it's been shown to work around the world. You see the countries where they have not had such a big impact on their health systems. These are the countries where their societies have mobilized and listened and implemented these measures, have taken it on as their own responsibility. So I urge everyone watching here tonight, please take this seriously, protect yourselves, protect your families, protect Fiji. Thank you.